Hello and welcome back to another episode of Digital Asset Daily. In our last video, we explored how to buy crypto, how to start investing and the types of wallet we have. This time, we'll be diving deeper into more details on the examples of wallets. Enjoy with me. In the previous video, we mentioned few examples of cryptocurrency wallets. In this video, we will be diving deeper into Coinbase, Trust Wallet, MyEther Wallet. Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet that supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others. It is available on both Android and iOS and is known for its strong security features, including support for hardware wallets like Trezor and Ledger. One of the foremost aspects of a Trust Wallet review would be the definition and its working. In simple words, Trust Wallet is just a mobile crypto wallet application tailored with a focus on allowing better ease of use and simplicity for users. The community-driven, open-source crypto wallet supports the storage of a wide assortment of crypto coins and tokens. The best thing about the Trust Wallet crypto functionalities is the easy and convenient platform for managing crypto assets from one location. At the same time, the Trust Wallet allows complete control of private keys to users. Therefore, you can access your cryptocurrencies anytime without any centralized interventions. Another interesting highlight of the Trust Crypto Wallet is the support for decentralized exchanges. History of Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet was founded in 2017 by Viktor Radchenko. It is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet that is available on both Android and iOS. Trust Wallet was initially created as a wallet for Ethereum and other ERC20 tokens, but it has since added support for many other cryptocurrencies. It is known for its strong security features and support for decentralized applications, DApps. In 2018, Trust Wallet was acquired by Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Since then, it has continued to grow and add new features, including support for hardware wallets like Trezor and Ledger. In addition, Trust Wallet also empowers developers to create wallets and decentralized applications natively without considering low-level implementation details. As a result, majority of blockchain developers choose options like the Trust Crypto Wallet, which offers a universal multi-coin storage solution. Keep in mind that it does not store the actual cryptocurrencies. On the contrary, the wallet gives a suitable means for accessing your cryptocurrencies stored on individual blockchain networks. Can Trust Wallet be trusted? Even if the Trust Wallet crypto functionalities have a lot to contribute to their popularity, the security element will always be a top priority. Mobile crypto wallets are generally tailored as convenient and easy instruments for encouraging faster access to cryptocurrencies. However, you cannot entrust your valuable cryptocurrency to a wallet just because it offers faster transfers. Therefore, it is important to look for the aspects of security and reliable storage for your cryptocurrencies. You can find the answer to, can Trust Wallet be trusted? By reflecting on the following security features of the wallet. 1. Private key management. The first aspect of Trust Crypto Wallet for security is the feature of private key management. Trust Wallet stores the private keys and related information on the device of the user. Therefore, users have complete control over private key management. 1. Passcode feature. The wallet also offers a passcode feature for safeguarding your funds from any unauthorized access. Users can enable the passcode feature in the settings of the app. After enabling the passcode, users have to enter it every time they launch the wallet or access funds. 1. Open to audits. With an open source code, the Trust Wallet app is open to security audits. Anyone can review the code of the wallet and suggest improvements alongside contributing to development of the app. 1. Recovery phrase. Another critical aspect of Trust Crypto Wallet for secure storage of your cryptocurrencies is the universal backup solution. It offers a recovery phrase at the time of wallet creation for backing up all coins and tokens in the wallet. The recovery phrase provides a universal backup solution to recover your funds in event of untoward circumstances. 1. Anonymous transactions. The final element about Trust Crypto Wallet for answering, can Trust Wallet be trusted? Is anonymity. Users can download, install and use the wallet without providing any personal details. In addition, the wallet does not collect any type of personal identification information from users. Furthermore, the inbuilt exchange in the Trust Wallet does not gather or record private data of users, such as card information or contact details. Downloading Trust Wallet. Now that you know the basics of Trust Crypto Wallet, you might be eager to find out Trust Wallet download methods and best practices for using them. Interestingly, you don't have to worry about the installation process as it is quite a straightforward and simple process. On the other hand, you need to take note of a few factors in a Trust Wallet tutorial before downloading. The first thing you should remember about Trust Crypto Wallet is that you can access it as a mobile application. You can download the Trust Wallet app for iOS and Android devices, albeit without any desktop application. Stay away from any desktop applications masquerading as Trust Crypto Wallets, as they might be fake phishing sites. Steps to download Trust Crypto Wallet. Keep in mind that there is no official Trust Wallet extension for desktop applications, and look for credible sources only. The reliable sources for downloading Trust Crypto Wallet include the official website, Apple Play Store, and the Google Play Store. You don't have to go through complicated steps for Trust Wallet download, as the on-screen instructions make the process easier. Here are the steps you can follow for downloading and installing the Trust Crypto Wallet app. 1. Visit the official website of Trust Wallet and download the app on your smartphone. 2. After completing the installation process, you can open the wallet application to discover two distinct options. 2. Click on the Create a New Wallet option. 3. You will find the Privacy Policy and the Terms of Service on the next screen. 3. Read them thoroughly and click on Continue after accepting them. 4. In the next screen of the Trust Wallet app, you have to agree to the wallet backup option by clicking on Continue. 5. Upon accepting the option for backup, you will get a 12-word recovery phrase. 5. Users have to take responsibility for storage of the recovery phrase, as it can help in recovering the funds if you lose the wallet. 5. You can just copy the recovery phrase and store it in a safe location. 6. The next stage of the wallet creation process involves verification of the recovery phrase. 6. Just tap the words in the right order and click on Done to complete the process. 7. After completing all these steps, the app will redirect users to the main screen. 7. You can find a ready-to-use wallet where you can add and manage your cryptocurrencies effortlessly. And that is all to know about Trust Wallet. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate your support, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date on future content.